so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what you do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. I just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo. Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
Well, hello friends. My name is Kujo, and this is my workshop. I'm trying to make this look more like this. It sounds like somebody's coming.
Hey, Kujo! Where are you?
Hello, Kweku. Hello, Ajua.
Hi! Hello! Kujo! What are you doing?
Hey, Ajua. Hey, Kweku. I'm making a lava lamp to kind of hopefully look like this one.
Oh, wow! It's so cool! Look at the colors move!
Ooh, I wonder what's inside.
I bet it's jelly. I like jelly. Or peanut butter.
I don't think it's quite jelly.
Maybe it's just colored water. And hey, why do they call it a lava lamp anyway?
Yeah.
Because lava is a rock that's so hot that it turns into liquid, and then it spills out of the ground like a volcano.
Oh, wow. We should find out what makes the lamp move like that.
Maybe put on your imagination helmet to get some advice.
I think getting the imagination helmet would be a fantastic idea. In order to complete this experiment, you will need the following ingredients: water, sodium carbonate citric acid, vegetable oil, and food coloring. Because water is more dense or heavier than oil, it will sink to the bottom and the oil will float. When you add a sodium bicarbonate citric acid tablet, it sinks to the bottom, and when it dissolves, it forms bubbles that float to the top. Lava lamps contain water, wax, and oil mixed together. At the bottom of the lava lamp contains a light bulb that heats the blob, making it rise to the top. Once it gets there, it cools down and it sinks to the bottom. I know the solution. Come on, let's take the plane.
World so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector, prodigy. I can't succeed in being you.
So what you do?
So you be you and I'll be.
Hi, Charlie.
Hey Kujo, how are you today?
I'm doing very well, and yourself?
I'm really good, thank you. What can I do for you?
Well, I'm gonna need some sodium bicarbonate and citric acid in order to make my lava lamp work.
I got what you need. Wait a minute, please. Hey Kujo,
Thank you so much.
you are very welcome, Kujo. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. See you next
See
time.
you next time.
Be me, I'll be me. I just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo,
Just like you, I'm gonna be me.
Kujo, Kujo, Kujo.
I feel so tired. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding dang dong, ding dang dong. Bonjour, Kujo. Hello, Kujo. It's me, Kujo Vincent. Qu'est-ce que tu fais dans la cuisine de Kujo Vincent? What are you doing in the kitchen of Kujo Vincent? I know why you're here. Kujo, I feel it too when you're sleeping and you're tired. You need to get rest. You need to go to sleep. You need to sleep for at least 8 to 10 hours in order for your body to repair itself, for your brain to function better, for you to digest the food better in your body. You need to get the sleep, Kujo. So my suggestion to you would be à dormir, to go to sleep. Frère Jacques, frère... Ben, allez-y, go to sleep. Dormez-vous, dormez-vous. That's the last ingredient. Oh, wow. Wow.
Cool.
Let's see what happens if I put a flashlight underneath it.
Oh.
Whoa! That's so cool. Wow. Now this is a lava lamp.
That is so pretty.
Yeah. And you can make some at home too as well. You just have to follow the instructions. And most importantly, you make sure you have an adult supervising whatever you're doing. Bye for now. Wow. Thank you for joining us today on Kujo's Kid Zone. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to go. But until then, we're going to encourage you to be kind, be brave, and to be curious. But most importantly is to go ahead and
Be yourself.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye.
Hello friends! Welcome back to Kujo's Kid Zone. My name is Miss Madison. Today we're going to sing a song called Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. I would love it if you would sing along with me. Ready? Let's go! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Okay, let's sing it again. Ready? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Today we're going to read a fantastic story called Wiggle Jiggle by Megan Vermack, Mathapela Mabasso, and Chanel Ferreira. All right, let's go. Wiggle, jiggle, wriggle. I'm a wiggly worm. Flowers and leaves are my favorite food. Yummy in my tummy. Wiggle, jiggle, wriggle. I'm a wiggly worm. I love the rain. Pitter patter on the leaves. Watch me wiggle and dance. Wiggle, jiggle, wriggle. Pooh! My magic poo makes plants grow big.
I love to see my plants grow. Yellow, red, blue, and green. Wiggle, jiggle, wriggle. I'm a wiggly worm. Wiggle when you see me in the garden. Wiggle, jiggle, wriggle. Where am I now? I'm here in my cocoon. Oh, wait! I'm not a wiggly worm. Flitter, flutter, flitter. I'm a butterfly. The end. Well, thank you so much, friends, for joining me.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Who?
Who?
I thought I was an owl.
Quiku, do
Yeah.
you preen yourself?
Yes?
Can you preen me? Oh, that's been itchy for 10 minutes. Thank you. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Banana.
Banana who?
Knock, knock.
Oh, who's there?
Banana.
Oh, banana who?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Orange, you glad I didn't say banana? Hey, what do you call a bear with no ears?
What?
Bah!
Hey, Adjoa.
Yeah.
You know when birds fly in a V formation, how one side is always longer than the other?
Yeah?
Do you know why that is?
No.
It's because that side has more birds in it.
Oh, why are seagulls called seagulls?
I don't know. Why are seagulls called seagulls?
Because if they flew over the bay, they'd be called bagels.
Someone said you looked like an owl.
Me?
Yeah.
Who? Do you know how to whistle?
No?
What? That wasn't a joke. I was just asking.
Oh, I don't. Thanks for bringing it up.
Well, you can learn. Just purse your lips
Okay.
and blow.
I did it!
Yeah, well, we all have to try things a couple of times before we get it. So, one more time.
All right.
Purse your lips
Mhm.
and blow.
Woo!
Great
Woo!
job, Quiku! So I can be an owl and you can be a parrot.
Perfect.
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Bye-bye.
Bye! See you later!
See you soon.
I'm gonna fly!
It's time for me to go, but I'm looking forward to seeing you all really soon. Remember to be kind, be brave, and to be curious. But most importantly is to be yourself. If you like our videos, please click on the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow us on YouTube, on Twitter, on Instagram, and on Facebook. For more information about our show, please visit us at kujoskidzone.com. Bye for now.
World so big, so much to do and see.
Let's go see.
I'm a young prospector prodigy.
Prodigy.
I can't succeed in being you.
So what to do?
So you be you and I'll be me. I'll be me. Just like you, I'm gonna